Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, one is taking a closer look at a truly essential accessory for anyone relying on Sennheiser wireless handheld transmitters. The replacement wireless microphone clip holder clamp mount, specifically designed for the SKM 10835G3 and G4 series. This particular offering comes as a convenient two-pack, which is always a welcome sight for professionals or even serious hobbyists who understand the importance of having spares. The compatibility here is quite broad, covering the G3 and G4 SKM 835, 845, and 945 wireless microphone transmitters. This means if one is using any of these popular Sennheiser models, this generic replacement clip is designed to fit perfectly, ensuring that the microphone stays securely in place during performances, presentations, or any recording session. The importance of a reliable mic clip cannot be overstated. A wobbly or broken clip can quickly turn a smooth event into a frustrating experience. What immediately stands out about these clips is the material. They are constructed from metal, which is a significant upgrade, or at least a robust alternative to many standard plastic clips one might encounter. This metal construction lends a substantial feel to the clip, suggesting enhanced durability and longevity. For equipment that often sees heavy use and transport, having a clip that can withstand the rigors of the road is paramount. The modern style and finish also give it a professional appearance, seamlessly blending with existing gear without looking out of place. The base type is a clamp, which is the standard and most effective design for microphone holders. This ensures a firm grip on microphone stands, preventing any unwanted slippage or movement. The design allows for quick and easy attachment and detachment, which is crucial in fast-paced environments. One appreciates the peace of mind that comes from knowing the microphone is held securely, allowing the user to focus entirely on their audio delivery. Often, the original microphone clips can wear out, crack, or simply get lost over time. This generic replacement offers a cost-effective yet high-quality solution to those common problems. It provides the same level of functionality and, in some aspects like material strength, potentially even an improvement over what might have originally come with the microphone. For anyone in need of a dependable, well-built replacement microphone clip for their Sennheiser G3 or G4 wireless handheld transmitters, this two-pack of metal clamp mounts presents itself as an excellent and practical choice. It's a small component, but its role in ensuring smooth audio operations is undeniably huge.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.